Ang challenge natin ngayon ay acronym challenge, okay? Panalo ng 300 pesos. Okay, 300 pesos, 300 pesos. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng DAR? DAR. Go!
Develop.
Develop, mali na agad. Go!
Department of
Department.
Agriculture.
Mali na agad. Mali.
Department of
Next.
Department of Social Resources.
Bas! Ano yun?
Department of Anti-bully.
Anti-bully.
Bakit naman tinaganda? Department of
Dar. Go!
Barna. Department of
Angry Bird. Go.
Department of Association.
Mali. Department Association pa. Go!
Door.
Wala. Next.
Department of
Department of... Di ko alam. Manghula kayo, guys. Baka matama. Department lang. Pass. Arms and Reports. Mali. Go. Chris. Hindi alam.
Department of Ranger.
Department of Ranger. Mali. Tama sagot ay Department of Agrarian Reform. Agrarian Reform. Madali lang to. BIR. Go.
BIR?
5, 4, 3. Wala, di alam.
Ano yung BIR?
Go. BIR. Di alam.
Bad.
Ano? Bad influence. Tinanong ko na dati yan, 2 years ago. Go. 5, 4,
BIR?
3, 2, 1, 0. Go.
Bureau.
Di na alam. Next.
Bureau of Intelligence.
Mali intelligence. Ikaw, Ash.
Bureau of
Ano ba yan?
Bureau of International.
Mali na agad. International. Ano? Beneficial Republic. Ano yun, uy? Pass? Pass daw, pass. Puro pass. Go.
Alam mo yan? Okay, ako guard mo dito.
Mali. Next. Wala na. Go. Miles. Mali na. Intelligence. Go. Next. Chris, tinanong ko yan 2 years ago. 5, 4, 3.
Grade 8 pa.
Mali na. Entertain. BIR. Go, BIR. Di rin alam. Maika.
Makulo mo dyan.
Ang tama sagot ay Bureau of Internal Revenue. Okay? Next. DPWH. Go.
Department of Department of Public. Wait lang. DPWH. Department of Public Works. DPWH Highways.
Works, highways.
High post.
Ulitin mo. Department of Public.
Department of Public Works. Ano yun? DPWH. Department of
Highway.
Oo.
Kulang, no? Kulang. Next.
Department of Public Workers and Highways.
Mali.
Public Workers and Highways.
Mali.
Public Workers and Highways.
Mali na. Next. Ikaw. Heart.
Same meaning lang naman yun eh.
Hindi.
Of
Well, mali na.
Department. Ay, DPWH? Department of Public Workers. Sino Maika?
Public workers, mali na. Mali. Go.
Department of Public Works. Alam ko na yung kulang ko. Works and Highways.
Ulitin mo.
Department of Public Works and Highways.
Department of Public Works and Highways. Tama. Worker kasi yung kay JB. Tapos yung Yung kay April, walang end. Walang end. Okay, next. Ano ibig sabihin ng NIA? NIA. Go! Pass. Uy, magmula kayo. NIA.
National.
O, tama na yung national. Go!
National.
IA na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
National.
Wala na. Next na.
National Intelligent Airport.
Intelligent Airport. Ginawa mong airport na NIA. Go. NIA. NIA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na. Wala na oras. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
National Intelligence Agency.
Mali.
National.
National. Ano na?
National Asia.
Letter I nga. NIA. Isha. Mali na. NIA. NIA. Di alam. NIA. Hindi. NIA. Go.
Kala ko si Nini Aquino.
Go. Next.
Kala ko yung Nini
Puro pa siya. 5, 4,
National.
3. Oh, national. Tama na agad.
International. Oregon.
International.
Mali. Ah. Pass daw. Go.
National.
Interbarangay.
Barangay. Wala na.
National Irrigation Administration.
Ano?
Irrigation. Irrigation.
Ulitin mo.
National Irrigation Administration.
Tama. National Administration.
Kala ko Nini Aquino.
Next. Oh, Heart, madali lang to. DOTC.
Department.
Oh, tama agad. Department. Oh.
Department of.
Oh, tama agad yung off. Tama yung off. Oh.
Ano? Technical.
Mali na. Next. Go. DOTC.
Teknolohiya. Department of Technology. Ay, hindi ko transport. Baby!
Oh, wala maingay. Oh.
Ano, Department of Transportation Court.
Court? Mali na. Ah, nala. Go. DOTC.
Department of Transportation Corporation.
Mali. Ay, ikaw, Ash.
Department of Transportation Collegium.
Mas na, hindi na alam yung C. Go. Ikaw na. Ira.
Uy, ang gagawin dyan.
Department of Transportation Commission.
Commission. Mali. Next. Commission. Sabi niya commission.
Department Bahay. Transgender.
Dinalam. Ah, next.
Ano yun?
DOTC.
Department of Transportation and Communication.
Ulit mo.
Department of Transportation
Oh.
and Communication.
Tama. Department of Transportation and Communications. Tama.
Sabi ko, communication!
300. Next. Ano ibig sabihin ng BOC? BOC. Madali lang yan. BOC. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam.
Bureau of Commission.
Mali. Oh, takatama na ng dalawa yun.
Bureau of Corporation.
Mali. Tama na yung Bureau of. Dali, tutugtukan nyo lang. Dudugsungan.
Bureau of.
Dali, 5, 4,
Bureau of.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Yung sinalang daw mo. Yung sinan.
Di alam. Carabao. Agaw.
Ay, Europe ano? Hindi ko alam.
Di alam. Next.
Bureau of
Ano ba yun?
Cooperation.
Corporation.
Bureau of Community.
Community. Go.
Ay,
Go.
Bureau of
Sinabi ko na Jay.
Mali nga yun eh. Communication eh. Puro communication. Go.
Bureau of Katakatatukan.
Collaboration. Collaboration.
Children.
Children.
Bureau of Company.
Bureau of Company. Bureau of Center. Oh, go. Hindi alam. Next. Go. Hindi alam.
Ay, Bureau of Bureau of
Bureau of Customs. Tama. 300. Bureau of Customs. Bureau of Customs. Customs. Go. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng LGU? Go, LGU. Madali lang yan. LGU. 5, 4, LGU. 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. Next. Go. Local. 5, 4. Government. 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. You.
Local government.
Wala na. Go.
Government unit.
Ano na?
Local government unit.
Tama. 300.
May off
300.
ba?
Wala.
Ilan to? Ano?
300.
Hoy,
Next. Madali lang dito. Ano ibig sabihin ng NFA? NFA. 5,
bigas yun, di ba?
4. Bigas nga. 4,
Ano? Kuya,
3,
tuition pack. Hindi ko alam yan.
2. Nutrition packs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
National. Ay,
Zero.
Nutrition for Agriculture.
Mali.
Ayun yung mga bigas na ano sa atin ba?
Go. Nutrition. Mali na agad. Mali.
National.
Fish pan.
National Agriculture.
Ano na?
National Agriculture.
Ano na?
NFA nga eh. NFA.
Ay, NFA.
NFA.
Pala ko, nakala ko A.
Go.
National Food Administration.
Mali.
Boom!
National
National
Fisheries Aquatic.
Fisheries. Ano Fisheries?
Ewan.
Mali. Next.
Bessie J.
NFA.
National Food Authority. National Food Authority.
Tama, galing na Angel National Food Authority. Dali lang to. Ano ibig sabihin ng DOST? 5, 4, Hoy! 3, 2, 1, 0.
Nakalimutan ko.
Well, di alam. Next. Kelly, dito ka humarap. Go. Department of, tama na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam,
Department of Science and Technology.
Tama. Ay ka, taga rito ka, imposible hindi mo alam. NCR. Go. NCR. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go.
National Capital. National Capital.
Tama.
That's my BM.
Next. Madali lang to. DSWD. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go.
Department of Social Welfare and Development.
Department of Social Welfare and Development. Tama. 300. Buling nga yung mic ka. Madali lang to, 3 letra. DOE. DOE.
Kala ko di yun.
Wala ba? Hindi alam. DOE.
Ay, yun pa.
Sige, tayo ka.
No!
Department of Education.
Mali!
Department of Education.
Mali!
Mali. Mali pa rin. Go. Humabol pa, mali din pala. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Next.
Mas mali pala! Mas mali po dito.
Environment.
Mali.
Di pa?
Ikaw na ba? Sunod? Go.
Department of Energy.
Department of Energy, tama. 300.
Energy.
Department of, ano sabi ni ano? Ano sabi ni ano? Miles? Education. Heart, madali lang to. Imposible hindi mo sagot to. Ano ibig sabihin ng PNP? PNP. PNP. 5, 4, 3, 2, ano? Pangarap? Ano pangarap? Mali.
Philippine National Police. Philippine National
Tama, 300. Okay. Last na. Panalo ng 600. 600. Ano ibig sabihin ng LTFRB? LTFRB. Nakikita nyo lagi pag sumasakay kayo ng jeep o kaya ng mga sasakyan na ano. Kahit anong sasakyan. LTFRB. Go!
LT. Loud trip.
Ano? LTR.
5. LTFRB. Mali na.
Bilaw, big.
Land.
Pwede, big dulas.
Hoy!
Land and Transportation.
Wala na. Mali. Next. Mali. Next. Di alam. Go, Angel, go.
Formation.
Mali. LTFRB.
Land Terminal.
Land terminal. Pass. Next.
Kasi hindi napila.
Mali na. Next.
Region District.
Land Transportation F. Region District.
Land transportation. Formation.
Mali na puro.
Land and Transportation. Filipino Religion.
Mali na. Basketball.
Transportation.
Ayun.
Franchising of.
Board.
Yung R! Regular.
5, 4,
Regulatory.
Regulatory.
1. Ano na? Ulitin mo.
Land transportation franchising of regulatory board. Regulatory board.
Off regulatory board. Mali. Next. Last na kay JB. Kay Ron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Land Transportation.
Sinulat.
Wala eh.
Kaya nga.
Ano to?
Ano yan? T? Yung F. Franchising.
Kung may turuan.
Regulatory Board.
Mali. Ang tamang sagot ay land transportation. Asan na yun?
And franchise.
Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board. Hindi off.
Nag-end ako off.
Ito talaga kayo.
600 yun.
Sayang 600.
Bye-bye.
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 Kala mo off.
Department of Education. Bye-bye.